What's up guys, it's AK47 here, and I've got a new toy. This is the Double Eagle AK47 Airsoft gun with an AEG. And I'm not going to give you much specs, I'm just going to shoot a soda can hanging up over there. And, so yeah, I'm going to have a review coming later, that's going to get all the specs, and so now let's get into the shooting. Sorry if you can't see that can too well. Oh man, all the water's gone out of that one. Now look at that. Oh, there's a negative moon. I don't know if you can see the dents from the bees that hit it that did penetrate. There's a nice crack right in there. It's nice and dented at the top too. Diet Coke, caffeine free, it deserved it. No one likes caffeine free diet soda. Alright, so there you go. Thanks for watching. There's going to be a review come later, and just want to explain some things. My other videos, the bad quality is because they were taken on my cell phone, so it's not giving me anything but the bad quality. This one has better quality because it's not on a phone. Alright, so stay tuned to watch my other videos, watch my other reviews. I only have one so far, and there's going to be more coming. Thanks.